Hi there! In this lesson we're going to take a look at the melodic minor scale. Now maybe you've heard of people talk about this scale before and thought, what exactly is it? And more importantly, how do you actually use it in a musical context? So first we'll just briefly break down the scale and how it's constructed. Technically you can think of it as a minor scale with a major sixth and a major seventh, compared to a natural minor scale or an Öhlen scale, which will have a minor sixth and a minor seventh. But there's a much more practical way to look at it on the guitar. You can think of it as the lower half of a minor scale combined with the upper half of a major scale. In a second I will show you exactly what I mean by that and how it lays out on the fretboard. So the lower half of an A minor scale combined with the upper half of an A major scale. We end up with this scale shape. So that's the first step. And the second step, of course, is how do you actually use this sound? Because the melodic minor scale shows up in all kinds of music. In jazz, in fusion, funk, classical music, pretty much everywhere. But today we're going to keep things simple and practical, of course. So instead of getting super theoretical, we will use it in a pop rock context and focus on musical ideas that you can start using right away. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's take a look at how to use this scale over a 4-chord, a minor 4-chord. It's a pretty common trick actually, going from the 1 chord to a 4-chord and then to a 4 minor chord, back to the 1 chord again. For example, in E major that would be an E major chord, an A major chord, and then an A minor chord, back to the E major again. So when the minor 4 chord shows up, that's how we can use this melodic minor scale, an A melodic minor scale in this case. So E major to A major and then A minor, that's when we use the melodic minor scale. So you can of course just run the scale from the top note and down an octave. Maybe land on the 3rd of the E chord. So A minor. Or the other way around. From this note. Land on the 5th of the E chord. So A minor. Like that. And I have constructed a version with some small tweaks to make it more musical, some hammer-ons and pull-ups. Looks like this. Like that. And together with the backing track, it can sound like this. And another version that starts on the 3rd of the A minor chord. Ends on the 5th. So have fun with this, and until next time, keep those strings ringing, okay?